Good morning, students. As we have read the last class 3.2 exercise, question number 11 and 12 ready. Now, next question, exercise, same exercise. Next question, show that 5 minus 1, 6, 7 matrix 2, 1, 3, 4 not equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 6, 7. If you observe these two matrices, this is first matrix, this is second matrix. If you observe here, this second matrix is first matrix here, whereas this first matrix is second matrix. यहाँ पे पहली मैट्रिक्स और यहाँ पे जो दूसरी मैट्रिक्स है, जो दूसरी मैट्रिक्स है यहाँ पे फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स है और जो पहली मैट्रिक्स है दूसरी मैट्रिक्स है। ठीक वैसे ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में। तो अब हम सबसे पहले फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे, उसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले लेंगे हम। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है हमारा 5 minus 1 6 7 2 1 3 4 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। नाउ हमको पता है मैट्रिक्स का जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है रो इनटू कॉलम। रो किससे मल्टीप्लाई होता है यहाँ पे कॉलम से। नाउ वी विल सी दैट वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। First row, first column, 5 into 2. Now, minus 1 into 3, minus 1 into first row, first column. Now, first row, second column, 5 into 1, minus 1 into 4. Now, second row, first column, 6 into plus 7 into first row, second row, first column. Now second row, second column, 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4. Very simple. Very simple. First row, second column. और जब कॉलम कंप्लीट हो गए, सेकंड रो पे आ गए। सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम। नाउ वी विल सिंप्लीफाई। 5 into 2 10 minus 1 into 3 5 into 1 minus 1 into 4 6 into 2 plus 7 into 3 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4 10 minus 3 7 5 minus 4 1 12 plus 21 33 34 This we got left hand side of first question. Now right hand side. Let's see right hand side what it is going to be. 2 1 3 4. Now 5 minus 1 6 7. Right hand side, left hand side, right hand side. Now we will see whether we will get not equal or we will get equal. If it is not equal, we'll write not equal. Now, again same method. Row get multiplied with column. पहला रो पहले कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होगा 2 into 5 plus 1 into 6. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट के साथ होगा, सेकंड एलिमेंट सेकंड के साथ। अब वही रो सेकंड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होगा 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 7. Now 3 into 5 plus 4 into 6. Now 3 into minus 1 4 into 7 2 into 5 10 plus 6 minus 2 plus 7 15 plus 24 minus 3 plus 28. Now 16 5 it is 39. Now it is 25. I'll make it here 5. If you observe, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence, proved. No need of this sentence. Just you write left hand side is not equal to that hand side. Now we will go to the next question. In the next question, what is left hand side? What is left hand side? 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. Minus 1, 1, 0. 0, minus 1, 1. 2, 3, 4. Now, go get multiply with column. See here. First row, first column. First row, first column. First एलिमेंट फर्स्ट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, सेकंड से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, थर्ड से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Now, first row, second column. 1 into 1. 2 into minus 1. Now 3 into 3. Now, first row, third column. 1 into 0. 2 into 1. Plus 3 into 4. बहुत सिंपल है, थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेशन की जरूरत है सिर्फ हमें. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम. कॉलम कंप्लीट हो गया, सेकंड रो पे आ जाएंगे. 0 into first row, second row, first column. 0 into minus 1. Now plus 1 into 0. Now 0 into 2. Observe very carefully. Second row, first column. First element first से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, सेकंड से होगा, थर्ड से होगा. Now second column को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 0 into 1. 1 into minus 1. 0 into 3. Now second row, third column. 0 into 0. 1 into 1. Plus 0 into 4. Now, third row, first column. 1 into minus 1. 1 into 0. 0 into 2. Now, 1 into 1. 1 into minus 1. Now, 0 into 3. Third row, second column. Now, third row, third column. 1 into 0. 1 into 1. Plus 0 into 4. One into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 6. Now 1 into 1, 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 3, 9. 1 into 0, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4, 0 into minus 1, minus 1 into 0. Okay, I can write minus 0 plus 0 both give same. Sorry, 1 into 0, 0 into minus 1, 1 into 0, 0 into 2. Now, 0 into 1, 1 into minus 1, it is plus here, 1 into minus 1, 0 into 3, 0 into 0, 1 into 1, 0 into 4. Lastly, 1 minus 1, 1 into minus 1, 1 into 0, 0 into 2, 1 into 1, 1 into minus 1, plus 0 into 3, 0. Now 1 into 0, plus 1 into 1, plus 0 into 4. What we will get here answer? Minus 1 plus 0, 6 minus 1, 5. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 9, 8. 2 2 plus 12 14 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 cancel 0 1. This is our left hand side of question number 2. Now we will write right hand side. Minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 0 1 0 1 1 0. Now सेम मेथड, रो किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा हमारा? कॉलम से. रो किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा? कॉलम से. नाउ फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम minus 1 into 1 1 into 0 plus 0 into. Now second row first row second column minus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1. Now minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Column कंप्लीट हो गए, second row पे आ जाते हैं. 0 into 1 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Now 0 into 2 second row second column, second row second column minus 1 into 1 1 into 1. Now 0 into 3 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Second row all the columns. अब third row पे आ जाएंगे. Third row 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1. Now third row second column 2 into 2 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1. Now 2 into 3 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0. Now minus 1 into 1 minus 1 1 into 0 0 into 1 0 0. Now minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 0 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Now minus 1 into 3 minus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0. Now 0 into 1 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. 0 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Now 0 into 3 0 minus 1 into 0 0 1 into 0 0. Now 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 4 into 1 4. 2 into 2 4 3 into 1 3. It is plus here. 4 into 1 4. 2 into 3 6 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0. Now if we simplify, check, we will not wait. Minus 1 plus 0 0 minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 0 minus plus 1 minus 1 cancel 0 0 2 plus 4, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 6 plus 0 plus 6. Now check the answers. Left hand side is not equal to, hence very important question, very important and very useful for the next examples. Keep practice. Hope everybody is understanding. If you are not understanding, come to college and get clarified your doubts, not for a class, not for any offline class, but for clarification, how to study, how to proceed. Exam is going on, no doubt exam is going to be. Thank you.